How are you gonna do chili cheese fries?
We want to make sure we make a good chili sauce to put on it. Anytime we make a chili that we're going to top something with, such as chili cheese dogs, chili cheese pizza, or chili fries like we're doing today, we want to make sure we make a good chili sauce to put on it.
So we want consistent chili. How do you plan on doing it today, Joe?
Well, Greg, we've got one utensil in the kitchen that I love to use to make consistent thin chili with onions. Get those down real small for that sauce and consistency we're looking for out of our Coney Island chili cheese sauce. All right, Greg, it's about that time of year. Titans are on here in a few hours. One of the things I want to go for is some chili cheese fries today. Greg's actually cooking thighs today, but we're going to be taking advantage of the Oklahoma Joe, the offset here, to make our chili while he's cooking.
If you enjoy what we cook today, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
All right, Greg, one of the things we want for good consistency is we want to avoid big chunks of onions. So what we're going to do is make sure we get nice, small, diced onions. This will give us a better product in the end. Take the time now. We got our cast iron pot set up here. We're getting ready to start making our chili. And first thing we'll do is add our meat, about 1.5 pounds here. We'll have the recipe below. We've got one kitchen utensil here. It's the Pampered Chef Mix and Chop, and this is what's going to make all the difference. When we want to get that good consistency, we can use this to break up the meat. All right, we're still working on this chili cheese recipe we got here. Once your meat's about half done, we're going to go ahead and add about 1 large onion. We're also going to add about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And we'll take our utensil here. And of course, we're still trying to get that meat and onions chopped down real nice for the sauce. Of course, we talked much about consistency. We've got that ground beef broken down real good. The onions diced up real small. So we got a little bit of water here. Let's go ahead and get that in. About 1 tablespoon of mustard and about the same of Worcester sauce. What's going to bring this chili sauce to life is going to be sugar, dried onions, chili powder, salt, celery seed, fresh ground pepper, and of course cumin. Get all this in here. Of course, we're going to use our mix and chop again and get this all mixed up. And one last ingredient, tomato paste. This is what's going to give us that good chili color and flavor. We're gonna let this roll for about 30 minutes. We got our chili in off the grill here, and we're just got it on low simmering. Go ahead and get our fries in for the chili cheese fries. Now we went with waffle fries today, so these will take here about 10 or 15 minutes in the oven. And our waffle fries are just coming out of the oven. Getting ready to build these chili cheese fries. Just gonna get this nice ladle out. Scoop us up some chili. Kind of think of these as like chili cheese nachos with chips, but fries. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle them with some cheddar cheese. We went with mild cheddar cheese for this. Now at Bluff City, we like these layers of flavor. We actually like layers of heat flavor. We got some fresh chopped jalapenos here.
Well, you about to light us up, Joe.
It's the way I like it. We're gonna hit these back in the oven for about 5 minutes to melt the cheese. Oh. All right, Greg, we got our Coney Island chili cheese fries ready. Last thing we want to do is hit that with that famous Bluff City Rub layers of flavor.
Just rub them in the description below.
Absolutely. And last thing we want to do is hit it with a few chives.
Oh man, look at that.
You might notice that we made these on parchment paper. So we did this so we could transfer it to our plate for the game. All we're gonna do is simply just take a little spatula. It's game time.
Oh, it's love right there.